Shaddai, Wona woman in the prepare. Odufwe, Semenya wana kameu. Adi biareni wa minyo. Semenya ya meso wani. Mendo wako si ohum. Mendo wako si miuda. Mendo wako si ohum. Mendo wako si miuda. Papa.
And we have 3 minutes to the top of the hour. Let's see now to my video to I'm watching. Dwaso Nsem to bed here. And I would see what Adom 106.3 FM. I was say your baby kind near Kwa Homana so Yako Chichin come on. Principals of colleges of education. Prinkomeche yanko na afei yanene nchiche nkomo zanyamecha wotimin kasum dwen kan wanopay
asum dwen kan
ejame bacho bibia bokọ de
nyame adomo na wonso
nyame tiase yekremo pa adepache na bacho colleges of education and yoma tesen
oh nyame adomo enioma ye nyame adom bibia for summer
and obadi ase recently say mobile out na mo say one share ya mo be shut down colleges of education because enioma be nkoye
various colleges breakfast lunch dinner
right
now normally so no yeah just education yeah supplier
okay
amoma ye diane na yeah ya share yen kra no omodidi na yeah start second semester and I supply no my experience diane bon ya team and the semester kana ya no almost supply ya we semester na student course o makana second semester no the first semester ka ya di o no ya ntia ya dia o make me de diane no abre di na said o ma mra ya diane no nso a ya tinya dia ya do ti afidi ya mano
right
and yes after that for back part ya like we are started as for me seeing in 1 million kwa na akoya after and tina they said I was the diane madia ya mano omo SSC
me but your semester be na mo say
yeah was second semester
and our suppliers no mo na mo plan as a bind epe
yeah ni epe yeah open bidding process ni obe na o ma tender you be winning or no na other supply at Yama Kilogi.
Okay, menti nipa ne be supply term na say year. Semester no.
Or be supply for the year.
Be supply for the year.
Every state or supplier or so do the
and I'm about to see can if he fa na ba na mo de atia.
They are buying through Ghana Tertiary Education Commission.
Okay. And
first semester. Na Yama supplying
and here can say first semester sikanaba
enya eno na yes what enya mai enya ya share second semester
bia ba na say
yeah na ni ehu ni say transition process na you go through and my delay back we understood that but after 2 months that is after 2 months within the first semester no fine yes so normal you know it be take a back within the semester there the first semester ending I have started second semester as I say your suppliers you see more holy to ransom no let just say young basically ma omo like I was say your mano coffee yes you am semester
but your movie second semester say how many months ni
we are in the third week
yes na movie as yen share
yes
and suppliers your mama ultimatum up to
dabe mama say after but na yen here wo ni a stockpile kakran here where you are not this maybe up to the end of May as na yen say by end of after May you know like I said we are stocking in our better na o man first stock ama nya dia this ni aye dia ni ama your man And see, I said, no, this is the situation. We would have challenges going forward.
Fees almost started raising concerning what BBF Yabaho.
Oh, yeah, Minister of Education and Director General Ghana Tertiary Education Commission. Almost the new master to acquire more within this week. You are Canabeba.
Oh, Mama Rashim said, dear he never first semester, dear Nana.
First semester, no?
And no neighbor.
Yes.
Okay, now the second semester, never later.
Never later, yeah.
Mepacho, yembu compound kwaya chikakra. What has been the norm? There be a delay, sir.
It's late, Akra. Most of the time, not but the suppliers, the main concern is that first semester almost supply and they say, that there are no blow in the open market, no effort. And so, almost someone to me and Cofa, a Janina, Matt, the Suya. Master said you were born no effort for a crack and whatever how. And so, here, cannot put the youngest Yakofa, a Janina Brain.
Okay, right. Apart from say buying be releases mamo na modia mamo suppliers no common challenges being at colleges of education more.
Oh, mainly accommodation, both residential and classroom accommodation. It's the major thing in all colleges of education.
Okay, money a dime be to me accommodate. Nebano infrastructure our colleges of education moya ne say no so abina eba
area and then mainly so you so idea kakaka cry dey you want not you so you kind of thing constructing of not major projects but yeah managing
school fees mainly in am raise fee
from IGF the main source of IGF.
Okay. And then the boy na mo the painting renovation other works.
Yeah.
Okay, great. Me pacho.
Yeah, no. It's such that there are many numbers that you are accommodating. One or two be that is not the norm. Otherwise, you are far or more able to accommodate you more comfortable.
Yenim say new curriculum about sanity.
Yeah, sanity.
And you know na more your brothers and sisters mom so they abetre nkolano.
Exactly.
And there been concerns on textbooks so my tisa.
Oh, I know what happens is look you also get teachers look a through training program. And you more training program before the semester starts. And you are ready. No. The major challenge for me was COVID.
Okay.
Now, COVID, I never said yes, we are blended teaching and blended learning and all of that. And one problem not here with because the training here such that there was a contact with our students, and then students when you contact with people they will be teaching after they have left college.
Okay. Great. But largely, how has COVID affected teaching and learning at our colleges of education?
I don't know, make a practical work. I want to say a manual area, that is teachers in training. You want for more, almost to me, you know, studying your panel.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Great, Mr. Yameche, me and Fawensi, ni anda wase, why? Yamene hene yada sepa. Ya be share names so at least the coming weeks na buy be release fans na mamo no multimedia mass supplies. Right. I was here Openi Emmanuel Nyametre, a president of Conference of Principals of Colleges of Education, Prinkoff Nyanino Chichen Common. Why join here? Well, if you were two online, so no amamo na much me abem yanche last week and this week, yeah, they see what my teachers. Whilst we celebrate teachers, some more challenges are hodua, more fem no much mini at least authorities, stakeholders. Yakshi imagine besiso no much me to home anamon 0302 216 561 and 0302 216 562 ubetimi afre na afei ya twetwe enkomo we teacher ni especially colleges of education mo send me messages via WhatsApp via Facebook Messenger no me da munyina amase my chronicle messages in nyina am my producers who attend to them me kai ma me bi video bi a otwa me school da yasemo school da ya chiremu ade mu apan ne ade me da se pa ye kan nyina bom and we attend to them. 0302216561. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, madam.
Me patrol me one of the college education.
Me patron.
Second year we are having online class. And then mobile school they don't do it. It's what teacher training ye jumana samom. You get it? And then at the other side so it's not fair like Obiwa College.
Yeah.
So did near the Adeno. Kinky Obiwa College. When we talk of rock, Kinky rock.
Yeah.
And no one Russian maybe. One Russian, no one do one time. Yes, no Quindian, any man and Quindian.
Hey, really?
Yeah, yeah, no more.
Whoa.
Because one quantum, I will need you.
Madam Mati, why? May I see the bracer when I'm at some drink out? I'm in picking the next caller. Hello, good morning. Too bad. 0302216561 and 0302216562. Also, bet me after. Hello, good morning.
Yeah, that was me. Oh, yeah. Me second cycle in institution.
Okay.
Only single track school.
Okay.
Because you were doing semester because the teachers were confused. Woman, you ma baby ho. The same say to among subjects, you change subject Diana. If we say didn't we provide a textbook for subjects, now for elective media, won't forget it. But say, oh, as a student, you assess them with both core subjects and elective subjects. The teachers now share elective subjects, and non-free teachers now almost over the ability. What provided textbooks on core subjects? In Jan Crown, what has almost to be Grana? Ghana have we know education and core community. And yet, the parents are very convinced to buy textbooks for their work on elective subjects. Yet, no more respected teachers say, or one child, the amount of party electives instead of more party core subjects. Then they have to accord same level of discipline and importance to all the.
Right. I was Yamate, Medasibebre, you're taking notes. Why? Definitely, you bring your answers at your mama. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Yes, boss.
I am one of the college of education.
Right.
You said the Minister of Education first one. The problem is that you come to campus. And I'm not going to swing. You say, you 220 move via online studies.
Right.
And it's not easy. In Ghana, how
it's very bad. I mean, yes, yeah. Bad as in what sense?
Oh, like you said, the economic minister first one. Like you have to rush before you get something.
According to the number of students are more table, no one.
Yeah, do according to the more table, but at times, if the pantry keeps on the no, at times, a lad in Banson, a banner. You see, I know. You need campus, do your training for no. You buy a back street, not half alcohol, feeding component, half buy anything. For example, then you are not benefiting from feeding component unless you are on campus. But Stratford and Brown, now everybody street, not half school in chain, not half on Saba. In chain.
Wow.
The administration benefiting to the information mind. Because of your population, the campus is on some team. The movement of here online, let the most work campus. There I can could need my big fee and Siako. Then, of course, by allowance and run now straight away. You will feel in a feeding component in a quad. I buy and benefit from food component in also.
Some more. Mate, abusia, me da se bebre. Why? So we fry as some drink count. Me da se pa. Great. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Yes, sir.
Pacho, me friend, you cover
me bacho you, yentio.
Correct. Me pacho, government or yeah, yeah. You need bro more school more. No omudi free school mo ebi ahye omusto mu ni hu bi wo jasi kan and into government or ya die na headmasters no sun omu kan ho a eyi ye mo omu kan ho government no or ya die papa.
Good morning.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Morning.
Yes, boss.
Adam
yes,
headmaster. Mommy
me battery you.
As I'm pay.
Eja.
We see Mira assistant curriculum. So teacher for the corner kura. Yamma Nsem. Me school menyen kolabia bi mu. Oba so obenya wakunya dia. Ya soki ate so kre. Nkunya ni honum. Why and ekoka. We teacher near, what the down wordy, you best fish on your catch yourself. Man in church, young granting media interview. Intending me a teacher for you, Kumuno.
A Jamie how, I ask some more.
Yenya, ready say you baby abronan so. About we see a one and you Nicola. Yenya exams down. If you and Senny. Piki I crowd the song Bois, Nanki exams, none so by your bones, near the letter feed the general self. Ubi an exams. Monfa test a class test and exercise. Evaluating color. Now more son of Kuma and commit me be in fusion. As a permanent teacher, you come. Teacher need beer through being to me, Yena non come. Oka near the politics. Oka near the politics.
I ask some more, Eja. Mate, me da say, why? Me da se bebre, me da se Saudi asi. Now, Obiswaba. Hello. Me bacha won say oye teacher ni. Okay. Oh, we bad time.
Yeah, but as I'm the school fees say. So almost the government the first school not I music.
Yeah, ma me mente won ka papa o. Aha, me bacha me tie o.
Me say me ba ko AP at motor school. Oh, one last year. Meanwhile, we already under the PS. So almost the government the first school not again music. They did kind of my government created almost in town. Almost my seat saying me when I already na APS. Almost but I can just month. Nkolani the just reform come to school so school. Am I Nkolani already under 8 years. So mo consider them we are going to write under 8 years. So say mo be this school now. In fact, the government is a cry. Oh, my man, last year. Oh,
mommy, producers be foul. Why not? Ya Joe concern. Me da se be break. Great, right? 0302 216 561 and 0302 216 562. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Yes, boss.
Yeah, me Michael. Your friend, me down, my friend, Katamanso.
But of Refi?
Katamanso.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, we're parent, right?
Yes. I'm say I'm or yard, but in now, me back to school.
Right.
Now, I'm back to school. And then my education no said not obi air company. Say, and the engineer be clear, and chance of and near man at the coin. I did idea prior mobile yet, and a dead soul, and a cutlass. Ah, a yard say, you see, you go for almost in the ribbon. Me bara made the coin, and in my coin or the call. Never in the airport of my abroad. About the oil up from here, the hair sweat. Oil up from the hair sweat.
You were Mati.
Young was here checking your who said or man of the course. Never say yes, there you have from you. Into Massama, me walk around.
You were Medasibebu 216562. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Ancha, me call me Facebook Messenger na fe messages ahodwa and for Sunday, you know, marking kind be. Let me acknowledge some. In fact, already I'm a teacher at Tumu. Asempa, I'm sending you my contact so that you call me. I was your Obia sending a contact. If you come to Tumu, the situation is very, very unbearable. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, madam.
Mpacho, me kwantu Bisham, pese me kan with tickets when they say.
Ma'am, Pacho, radio be wa wachi o mana kofo.
First no na ka snake na tua pension ni na. Na sisi no o siti etu o de bia akoma graiku.
Right.
Na sisi no teachers no ko pension na yen chesi kana ma ho. Ni ntia na ka ekwa wa yi akwa ni ntia ka. Me say me ko pension me was snake no. Oh, me anko baby ya ma anko nka ma ho ma anko na chesi. Nti mo mbo mo dia ndi ekire pa ga ko kulo mu ntia
me ba chomate
kakra bi asan betu kakra ba obebra me ma nante ho kra wa ne enti se o me be san so dia kwatene ti o ma hwa o mo hwa na ho ne dia nya papa
Mamba chomate me da se bebre ma me da se sa ne ma che abusian good morning. Too bad. A teacher for more bread. And him some more bread, but I must have no so high on your becano. What join here high Adom 106.3. Yemfa Asidakasia, Napos and Napos, Yemfama, Star Assurance, your solid partner, me pacho, Obeso, any insurance, or Star Assurance. You CBG say, Obet me have a BA account back now, serve as current and savings. That particular account, you know, home benefits I'll be as well. Also, Vodafone to Vodafone calls. Ubetumi are free of charge now for over 5 minutes talk time to all other networks. Vodafone together we can. Agbeve Herbal Center. Yari ben a down so our enko would do Agbeve on betuasie fire no bio. Access Bank, modern banking. Is ya phone in a munko be savings account. Our Access Bank. If it's a would be now what top it up no obe winning up to 100,000 Ghana cedis. And take Access Bank now for BA account Emma Wabofra. Latest from your partner for life. Open Konya Papa Konya Efe Echedia. Look no further. Latest from your partner for life. Your processing and HSC your kono Milo Ediaba. Me won say Aisha Ekabo me won feature ho. And Milo de noa and ye here honden foforo. Ye starting a watch ni here Milo. Ye nom no. Ne maya hondia. Ye betimi Ediabo ejuma with Milo. Every child is a champion. Milo the energy food drink of future champions. Latest from your partner for life and Konya easy. Ye yana so wa phone no dial star 222 hash. Star 222 hash. Now for custom duties, GRA taxes, EPA agency, EPA levies, Ghana Standards Authority levies, Food and Drugs Authority levies, any buying levies be ampacho obetimi at your name obeko ghana.gov.gh. What fill form a generate invoice. Open further details are for 0302 216 000. CBGC, we stand with you. MRN Fisher still Dudwana na benefited Ningo Pram District Assembly at Daroma. Omoni Omo partners supported by the Ministry of Local Government and Rural Development. Omode the rent to own no edia. But this initiative Dudwana currently later Abeya Omodia o trending for any trim when Ningo Pram District Assembly. For numbers I mean today now ni omo endings was so 055 553 0300 and 0577 911 101. Obetimi Swafre 0557. Plan City Extension Project and shaping Ghana's urban future. Vodafone, good morning. Offer me pacho. Subscribe it. And one is what dial it. Star 543 hash. Star 543 hash. just 1 Ghana cedi free and a 5 minutes free talk time. Vodafone to all other networks. But modern na afe subscribe to Vodafone good morning offer. Actual button team and a clear champomasa for everybody. I went to be them and I said now shem feature here. Oh, okay.
Tenkra here.
Born kakra. Yamene hene.
Room sa.
Ebekoye.
So de koye.
Oh, aden.
Also de akwantu bem.
I say oh Debbie nam sha.
Sam.
Nam sha ya.
Okay.
Dr. Pounce, I number some call, but so should be a bebo firm and me uncle. You know, young wishing congratulations because Cape in fact. Now baby stand still for Dr. Pounce.
Okay.
Okay. Me now for no more afraid. Charlie baby na Charlie higher there. Oh, I'm keep here there. Keep here there. Pa because me now for no more afraid me Charlie. Hey, what maybe? Oh, I day. Na oh, I day.
Musicians in na
keep ready.
I wanna Kobe.
I wanna went to me uncle. I went to me uncle.
Okay, yeah, no can.
I went to me uncle. But Dr. Pounce, congratulations indeed. Why you nina? What say keep baby? Offer Cape baby, I say Dr. Pounce. Baby, I taji and you will go hold your ready. No much you have so.
Or the Cape Coast able to
oh, not the Koye, but and your money be a car, Dr. Pounce, Fabra, yeah, catch it.
Ne wife, na Oma Regina. Are you a Kobe?
Are you a Kobe?
Hi.
Are you a Kobe? Are you a Kobe? Are you a partner? Okay. Because sharp.
Yes, me Adom Nsem. Ene awarimu ene penyina.
Yeah.
Yafundie. Bibia.
Bebem.
Emra. Emma womu.
Bebem.
Na.
Your friends also when you change Dr. Pounce is off the market.
Ono so man no bubu na ni kire omu nyina say won say ode was selected Regina among all women.
We decided.
Nti ono so o sia man no a.
Ye ni baby akọ ya munya ho abotre ye ni baby akọ.
Oh chakai.
O say.
Oh penny.
Oh. Then I'll cast them to your sister.
Me de ade ntin yo.
O ka se makofia sare ho say.
Me wo mum na so were ho.
O say oh.
Oza wona me do tia kofia san na.
Na na onu atia na obo wa hwe wachi.
Kofia san oni na me de ade ntin.
Ye ni baby akwa na mususu mre hu na ye den. O say.
Ye nko.
O say bia na de asem na de to yeso say ne ntwate so so de wo.
Ba me twato so so ahwe na anye ho.
Facebook. Why, bra Facebook now for Dr. Pounce and then the wife, the newlywed couple, Dr. Pounce. The Pounce Charlie na video no. Come and enjoy Cape.
Plenty Cape Coast.
Dika. Bebia.
Me bia mehwe.
Bia.
Me bia mehwe.
Jerry Justice Kobe. Black Eye Kobe.
Jerry oya ade o.
Tigo Kobe.
Oya ade Jerry ade pa.
I'm for Koi. I'm for Koi.
Me je na
one time. Yepa nanse empeni fire ni omo wa ha me
oba bija
me kai anapa no me
ade be ko bia na odi achi you come
Charlie o empeni fo say ya on say at least we da no wada and say when yasumi ya wada so
Dr. Pounce video na ye de
Dr. Pounce
hwegu o ma ye na ye nya bi hwe
Dr. Pounce
amfo so ye wa
amamra
what was that the Facebook o mo ba no obi e pe bia
ebi mo wa be hwe kokafo ni bio
yes Dr. Pounce ne wedding we on the best wedding in 2021
no honestly now Pounce we ni oh Pounce we ni oh we ni oh aden now but especially this post you know Regina chire bibia
na so ade ne da Facebook nti o pe bia hwe de
description
wo de o pe bia hwe no and also pe ba Facebook and also YouTube no abehwe ye hia wo say da nka
na nsa da ho na nsa da ho
nti ni esa wo ma descriptions ne de aka ne ye chirechirem
Pounce nsa da ho o aden da ho o say oh,
enti mama for no amra Facebook no me do ma de sense YouTube no me na de na descriptions na because who ntimi money account no ntimi money
nyame abode pa rade ya twitwa kai rade asset Hey, I don't get jump. The bina madia me shall describe it. And the pounds radius. Pounds Jamia Fro. And as well, my goodness. When you were more, when the pounds say, oh, there be no way crowd there, then when you come. Ah, there be. Dr. Pounds. Asa. I had no eyeball to eyeball. Ah. Baby, I'm not a son in the moon. Baby, I'm not for in the moon. Baby, I'm not any Syrian in the moon. Are you our 5 year do so? Yeah, oh, a day. Are you the ambassador? Are you out there? Only a wonder. Ambassador Bang. I was in him. Are you out there? Sad and man who are fan of raw. Oh, are you ambassador Bang? Are you from? Now, Dr. Panzo, do you answer? Hey, 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 now, hey, I hear you. I don't know, Kanjiana. Checking, checking. Hey, break it down. I'm returning. Wow. That's right. As I school, when you've been channel, or names and you come to me. Oh, that's right. Regina, you're confused. That's right. Hey, that's right. Oh, yeah. I cry a guy. Oh, yeah. That's right. But Bema also to me to see the answer. Oh, I didn't. To me, Bibia. Oh, say. To me, Bibia. Oh, I didn't. Because I want to see your own to me less issue. Oh, I didn't. And the pounds, I was your Facebook. Come and enjoy. Dr. Pounds was our oh, I come and enjoy. What is a document, dear pa? Ye, Jenna, cry, ye, Boguna, soon come in, what bay you two? Oh. Woe to me. Oh, she. Me say, Kumiasa no, I said, I saw one kid, no so to general nature and say, Doctor, I saw a cotrot. But she decono, she hold decono, the lighting system. It was nice. Ah, the deco, of Faya de wa bunting. Weekend so I probably am so me call ye. Oh, we'll go here. Me am in your bemo Emmanuel Asamoah Mafu. Oh, okay. Na ye say afraid you obey ye de na ma utimi fe na no ana odinam se bra afei. Eh, no obey na so no de abo po ba ko pese say de work out no. Oh, yeah. Yes, madam. Na mo je say na o kwa. Eh, nyantum. Eh, David. And now, dear Zaddy and Fansa, now, you need to know me also who made the free. My young fine, my young fine, a picture with me horrible down one man, there be our. Yeah, I know, dear, and we hear pa. And it, Nankasa Dr. Fonzie and you. I say, now, are you may kiss the bride side now to her, and you would dear fatu. Ah. And I will be here now. For picture and feel one for video back also 20 car Adom any sira and Uncle Pond de Begumoso at the Amamo. May uncle? Yeah. Never go back on Sunday because for Mammy, so yeah, micro, small or medium sized enterprise. I will pretty or Ghana Hami or good news at the mount. If it's a EcoBank and the African Union Development Agency, I've done in a part or more of our free online training. I would be grow business skills. We're free now for when you're some fast wapa, African management, business sustainability, operational adaptability, regulatory compliance, leadership and management. We in EcoBank and the African Union Development Agency at the Ebrel. Now, over register www.ecobank.com/MSME financing. But your bombarding na afe eco na eco register. Why? Obetumi so afre till free number 24/7. Na afe when you mo atwetwe enkomo 0800 003 22.ecobank.com/commercial-banking. Okwa nafe when you made this our social so say EcoBank cares. Never money and follow all the protocols. That's shadow of this COVID-19. Abri Robert and Sons Optical Services. Me pacho when ni ene hawa. Men come obin ko fada do bia nhyehyɛ wani ho sɛ obɛhyia wani ye ana hohoro ho me pacho Robert and Sons omone de okwa wutimo se wani ombetumi abɔ ho ban ama pa Robert and Sons men kan cho say donate or slightly use a new frame no na afei opanya hwe no o de call Robert and Sons obua obino na wunya so emfaso enti bomode na call Robert and Sons na oni omo ndi ensawoso omo say love, share and donate your old frames, glasses at our branches. Amu branches na dabraka omo ho dankwa omo ho original products na omo use na omo de abo wani eban ade ama obetimi so a visit omo state of the art optical coherence tomography testing service. Robert and Sons provided service to members. Mukra insurance card in insurance ben 19111 050 151 9111 and 0302 222 601. Information beyond the member. Robert and Sons, seeing is believing. Visit Robert and Sons Optical. Obidum be a document abekaya.
Said we say this serious or the better and I would say
abusia for my mama.
What say?
Me watching.
Joso.
Sisiana a tea fontaine. Sisiana me nya star call every Buckingham Palace.
Okay, so say
more coming one sem.
Sir.
Na yes more bomber power.
Na hey. Abusi abehwe.
Wabun kotodwe to nyuma ma yere.
Si kan flow pa Awrade Yesu ekoye.
Enti
obidum bi.
Yes say a power na mo bo na so much no.
Say
power no it's no call ne buy no. I called my lawyers and I'm say first of all me mamonye rejoinder and retraction and also offer an unqualified
apology Edima hwan
na monfan sign me din ho because the amaye nenne no edada di pefi say o mama bia ho hin nti me baya na we dey abusia etiefo nyina nka me ho na yemfanto officially asempa ne atwe abotentim enim say me lawyer city and baby I call if you buy and say me dey ka kachere mo nti madaroma do the needful. Say mokana na bra kokotwea. Say mo na moka say minimasa nimu masade me yade.
Aha. What baby obri no bon eye gina ho.
Oh mami nwi
mani you one way.
Cameras ne wa hai ayo 5 adawroma asempan so wa ha na DJ awana so wa ha. What you say? Enti e betumi awie bibia wa ha preko. Na wo san wutina nkoye ano so I wanna me boa ubetime nya correct song e de ama no
well correct
na ayo nso wa hai otime bie ne camera no
Dr. Pounds asana osaye no wo hu e Facebook good it no enwom na ono ka se correct song no me esobia no de ope
enti wo beka ne wo ope no me nka se me betu so nwuma ma wo awana te enwum bie ni ha wo bisa wonya mo anko adobi osobrotie
na mama nwie wo bisa me asem mama nwie no de me pese me kyere ne se awana mpacho wo agbaja ho
bobo ye ni bibia agbaja ye ni nyuma e friend agbajo eyasa
eno na aseme ka no ti eye agbaja enyo
na ye de bobo ne sa agbaja ni bi wo ha
me pacho ni mienu bobo nko na agbaja enko menka ni mienu mo mese awana uwo
so agbaja onyumo ho onyuma ya de sa agbaja wa
David okay ente awana wo de fa betum na fe ye pepes ni wi a ye be mo ebogi pa
ye pepes ni wi a
ye be mo ebogi
na asana baso
be baso
na amaso so e
o say
amaso asane je sane ba o ma o lo yes
amaso ayetimi bodu ya o
amaso ma ba e nanti hunu no abe nanti
etimi me de hia me ne say apology ni nya adwuma na monka se mo boa
wa Dr. Pounds
yeah
Dr. Pounds
Dr. Pounds yeah
Dr. Pounds for the 5 years there
aya samo
yanko da bonkrata no emu nsem no embi enam edika na woche se yenua bi a wote dansoman tunga na ewon kran ha yayi kan kwansia so na wo fa ya enei waba bedi dem asase bia woto ye 2002 a wo si dan ewo so mekan Christ Apostolic Church ene langas for apostle akabo makodwiri dan nyina guntu be uhwa ase a edan mfoni e wa ase enum no ote ene se de oye ne kakra se be ya daachi ebetumi aboa woni abusua
ajamba fa infoni ne kire camera ne ma mo Facebook ne
edan na wo mo ekobugu ye no na nkese se wonum nya kata every court ana bibisa
asana makoye
wo motumi ebudan na gu nanso we de amamu sa eno an se yekodwo ote won ka bi nhemu na yekodwiri gu ye ya yenue ya sabre wodi dem wo ni pedua akwa mu baabi mfoni ne eda ho no ayo 5 wazumi bi kura ka ho ankeye
ya na ye nhwani ye
na se eda no na egufa na ye dwere gu no na caption no so ode maaye no physically challenged rendered homeless and so yede ato ho no
but on say na nakua asem we yanka o nkrofo dodo na na ebre wo nioma saa o ye dwiri nkrofo dan gu a ye mfa court order bia mekire ye nothing obi wo wa wo say ye the bulldozer ba na grrr ye dwiri gu because oni kama fo
o man na team na it say
entino na say me libi me kakra na me wo no wo de nsase no wafom ya na omo de kwan
na we de man ha dwen kra ne say eye sorry o enti minimu ne yentumi enye kano we minimu ne bema asori a whole church Christ Apostolic Kenya sorry ketwa minimu ne bia ebetumi epusi wo mo no de na so wo se epusi nwoma ko Christ Apostolic for kache na won so ye kopre wo mo so nkire mu ya wo mo edebema eno no ena ye se Ghanaian Times is no person mo retain ena ebi so pese ye enti hono huru papa yero mo akwata wo se 2020 free 2021 ni enkopim 2024 de ne ejai akwan a ye behu wo man mu wo se ka da bia meka mese na no ye nuanom GBC fo kwa atwea ekokofa focus on atwea baaye na wo hwese de kroma ne kasa say wo mtu hospital wo se de wo yare watwea anwonya ne yedi twam a wo ntimi anko fi so
ene de oto
na hwe obi a opemfo a waka no na edi ne si bicycle so a otimi kura free hwiwu
one day that's ya makwata atwa kwa ne faka ho
Kofi Job wo se hwan na ye de contract na ma no no ye nyina no so na ba bia minister ne kan o se no wo ye kwan wi a o se
ya kan say ne ye be hwe ma na ba mu dia ye de oba de ase
hono ya se
no ma me for the Chronicle newspaper na fe sorry so because Adom Sports page 1 ye de bro wo share the Chronicle a big one there name Niger Delta gangs attack Ghanaian vessel, seized 3 Chinese, Russian and Korean off Tema Coast. Story no page 3. Now Okaimwa Ayare Hoka Krepacha says some suspected pirates are free Niger Delta. Aitumiaba seized Swabe kidnap 5 crew members of a Ghanaian vessel. Say Atlantic Princess 70 nautical miles south of Tema. And what yes as at now. Adia we see Thursday as at now information bia entimi ba Ghana Navy ho enti your best friend 24 said this particular one no there be almost CZ crew members no dey o makoshe no yembo modern na yendi atwe yentimi and rescue omo me dey kwesi asempa maestro atenase maestro me mo ache
me jo so kwesi
bibia bokode
ya me adom any complaints
ya weekend ne dey matise say ubotomu ye
ai sana man for ka
because mo say bo ban now but to achia e fa na achia and to
dia se no de obi nsi tru do mato
omadi ayu a 5 d one d but mo nyina we ya de mo kopo aye nyanam because ale ade da wanim na prepare no prepare
odidi agro adaje
hwe me sem mo janko a
but e be dru ho mensu
na me ne hene e was say to me do because they say baby a yedu no ye book curve I see it to me gina malaka na ye tight no see ye gina kase
DJ Awana
Awana say asri chrozi aneze ni that's all
you are 05 we heavy bita
I was your mama me no Milo na fe me ma maestro bi nom what me the Adom Sports page 1 e dia bro Milo wonya nom bia but more than nom bi wo sorry anopa we say with me enjoy that nourishment of malt milk and cocoa combination and one out here when you that energy out be ye juma Milo e be ye man kola ye man pani Milo ye man rewa ye man kokra but your Milo e ye me busua with Milo every child can be an MVP Milo every child is a champion Milo the energy food drink of future champions Access Bank Access Bank awo for e best monko bie Access Bank savings account e mamomba if you say the Access Bank perfect start promo no in fact is getting exciting and kwala mako 400 then you reward you mo the Crazy Sunday games and Access Got Talent competition no Access Bank but you unya bie with just 200 Ghana cedis or your top ups are build your points unya 2000 points obetimi winning 100,000 Ghana cedis cash na fedia oba epebia wetumi ato ama no Access Bank free omoto free number na oni amonchichen komo